So here is the process. I have taken this terracotta pot which is round in shape, and you can see the width as well. So the lotus pot should be wide enough, and also the depth should be more. So now we are going, the first step is adding gardening soil. So if you're getting clay, you can use clay, or if you do not find any clay soil, you can use normal gardening soil or red mud soil. But if you're adding fishes into the lotus pond, one main thing you need to keep in mind is the soil should not consist of vermicompost. So if your soil consists of vermicompost, it leads to the death of the fishes. So I have added the soil. So I'm planning to add fishes into the pond. Hence I'm adding the gardening soil without vermicompost. Now the second step is sow the lotus into the soil. For sowing, so dug 1 to 2 inches of hole into the soil as shown in the video. You can use 2 fingers. So now let's take the lotus seeds which have already germinated 20 days back. So these are the seeds which are like 20 days of germination. Now I'm placing the first lotus seed. So the seed, if you observe, I'm placing the seed inside, and the germinated part would be upwards. So be careful with that. So here goes the second lotus seed, and this is the third lotus seed. And here goes the fourth one. So now what we have to do is cover the seeds with the soil gently. So as the lotus stems are really weak, be careful with them. Gently cover the seeds. Now the third step is, after sowing the seeds carefully, the third step is add water to the pot. So let's add water now. Add water till the pot is full. So after adding the water, let leave it for overnight, 12 hours to 24 hours or overnight. So if you're doing it today evening, on the next day morning, you can see the water will be clear and the soil also becomes firm. So why do we add water for 12 hours? Why do we make water to stand for 12 hours? Is the soil becomes firm. So, and also the soil, the mud or the soil which we're using will suck entire water and leave the rest. So let's wait for 24 hours. So this is how it looks like after 24 hours. It is very clear, the water is clear. Now the third step is strain the water. Strain it very carefully. After straining the water, I've taken this tub where I again bought this from local vendor for 100 rupees. So I'm using this tub, or you can use the cement one. So can you see the height, the width and the broad of the tub? So this is actually enough for the lotus plant. So now let's place the pot which have already sowed the lotus plant into the soil. Let's keep that pot in the middle of the tub. So we are done in placing the pot into a tub. After placing the pot, now just for the decoration and as well as the fishes, sometimes they become naughty and they dig soil. So I'm adding stones. You can add any color of your choice. So I'm adding the stones. I'm using these colorful pebble stones. And while adding, please be careful with the lotus stems. So let me add these stones one by one. So one thing you need to keep in mind is be very careful with the lotus stems. They're very delicate as they're still at the starting stage of growing. So be careful. Check all the stems, because one lotus stem can be grown into many stems. One lotus seed can be grown into many stems. So be very careful while adding stones. So this is the fourth process. So the next step is adding water into the tub. So let's add water slowly. So let's wait till the tub gets filled up. So if you clearly see, the water has entered into the lotus pond, and the color changes because the soil is getting disturbed. So there's nothing to worry. It becomes dirt at starting, so you don't have to get worried. So let's slowly fill up the tub. Let's wait till the tub gets filled. After filling the tub, let's wait for 12 hours again, so that the water becomes clear and it would be easy for us to add fishes. So can you see the water is very clear after 12 hours? Now I'm going to add water lettuce for decoration. It's up to you. You can add water lettuce. So I'm adding it for the decoration part. So I bought these fishes from aquarium shop. The fish name is mollies, which doesn't need any extra filter. So I've bought 3 fishes. They can survive without proper oxygen as well. So these are the fishes which are correct for the lotus pond. So we do not have to take extra care. There's no need of any filter. This is how you can make your own pond at your home. Thank you so much for watching. With lots of love, Shiny.